Cleveland should give up. I think the Browns should give up. I think the city should give up.
He's with a quarterback who's not good enough.
Yeah.
And that's why you're not a Super Bowl team. Your defense in the back seven's awful. It's awful.
You know, a bad loss, but Browns are going to get clapped next week, so it's all good.
I don't know what they gonna do, man, to be honest with you. I don't think they have a shot at winning this football game. I mean, to be honest.
We've been thinking about this for 4 months now. Well, it's here now. It's time. If any of you have any doubt in your mind, I don't want you to walk through that door over there. You shouldn't have any doubt in your mind about what you're supposed to do tonight and about how you're supposed to do it.
So right here, for a second time, miraculous catch by Higgins. By himself, People Jones, goodbye.
He's got Harrison Bryant for the touchdown, and Cleveland back on top.
And it's caught over the shoulder by Mayfield for the first down. Touchdown, and he slides home. Baker Mayfield for the score.
To jump with the cutback, inside the 10, inside the 5, here he comes.